Hi guys, Debbie here. Thanks for joining me. We're going to go through the kit that we've put together to make a 2-signature no-sew journal. Please see the instructions on how to make the journal cover, the crinkly crackly cover. But this one is made already, it's sewn, all ready to go and all ready for our inserts. So we've put together 2 signatures and we're going to have a look and see exactly what it is that we've put together. No hard and fast rules. When you're assembling, you can definitely take things out, but this is what I've put together to make 2 signatures. So we'll go through signature number 1 first. Okay, I'm just going to move these out the way. There, move that out the way. So I just separated them so that we can put the signatures together with ease when we come to do it. So book pages, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 book pages. Dyed paper, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We may not use them all, but I just put extras in anyway. So sometimes you want a nice big fat journal, so we'll stick with 11. Picked out a nice center page. It's always nice to have something that catches your eye, that you something nice to look at in the center. That's my preference. And then some scrapbook paper, some decorative scrapbook paper. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. And this is cardstock, and it will be our journal cover. So it's a little bit thicker than the paper, cardstock paper. So that's 1 signature. Signature number 2 will be pretty much the same, so I'm not going to count as we go through, but I'll just show you just to show you a little bit of a variety. So same again, we have the book pages of varying descriptions, and dyed paper. And the same again, we've got our book covers and the scrapbook paper as well. So color coordinated, it kind of goes with the other one to tie the whole signature together. What I usually do is I choose my fabrics, or if I'm not using fabric, something else for the cover of my journal. And I get those papers, I choose those first, and then I go to my scrapbook decorative paper. And then I find something that I think coordinates and looks nice with this. And thereafter, I go to my books. I pull a couple of books out and I choose pages that I think will complement the colors and the color scheme. Not necessary, but that's just the way I do it. And I think it just makes a nice, pretty journal. We're also going to be using some embellishments. We're going to be making dangles. The dangles will go, once we bind it all together, the dangles, we pull the string through here, tie them, and then there's string hanging down here, and we're going to just gussy things up a little and put some dangles on them. So I've got some beads. We're going to make a center bookmark dangle. So I've put together a little dangle for that. So that will hang from the bottom of the book like that, so you can always, the bottom of the book like that, sorry, I think I was off camera, so you can bookmark where you're working at in your journal. So some beads, and that's for the dangle. You've got your hemp string for binding, some extra fabric scraps that complement the colors that we have, that we're going to staple or glue, or if you're a sewer, you can sew into your journal as well. Miscellaneous threads. I love these threads. I keep them all the time. These threads are from the fraying edges of woven fabric, and I keep them because you can sew them on, glue them on, do all kinds of fun stuff with that. There's some all different kinds of thread here for your book, and we'll get to that too. Some buttons and some charms that we're going to put on the front of the book and the back of the book. We have some tabs that are sort of bookmark tabs that we're going to stagger in our book, and we can sew them on or staple them on. And we also have charms and hooks. I guess these are called pins that we are going to use on our tabs to decorate our tabs so that you have little dangles hanging from your tabs. Anyway, we'll get started on this and we'll start putting it together, but I just wanted to show you what it is we're going to be working with. Thanks for watching.